I'm Hannah, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly add a comment in Excel using a simple shortcut key. This is a great way to annotate your data without taking up too much space in the cell itself. Let's dive right in. First, select the cell where you'd like to add a comment. This is the cell where you'll be attaching your note. Now to add the comment, press Shift plus F2 on your keyboard. The comment box will instantly appear, ready for you to type your message. You can add any details, reminders, or notes here to help clarify the data in that cell. Once you've added your comment, simply click outside the comment box, and the comment will be saved. You'll notice a small red triangle in the top right corner of the cell, indicating that there's a comment attached. To view or edit your comment later, simply hover your mouse over the cell, and the comment will pop up. If you want to make changes, just press Shift plus F2 again to open the comment box. Here is a quick tip. You can also delete a comment by right-clicking on the cell, choosing Delete Comment, or simply pressing Shift plus F10 and selecting Delete Comment from the menu. That's it. Now you know how to add comments quickly using this shortcut. If you're looking for more time-saving Excel shortcuts, make sure to check out Sheet Leveler's other video tutorials linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to the Sheet Leveler channel so you can stay up to date with all our Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next tutorial.